Hi friends, myself Afzal. I am currently working as an assistant professor at ACE College of Engineering, Tiruvalla. Nowadays, we can't imagine a world without communication. From the different types of communication, here I am mainly focusing on the fiber optic communication system. What is a fiber optic communication system? It is nothing but a system of transmitting information from one place to another place by sending light pulses through an optical fiber. The process of communicating using fiber involves mainly three basic steps. The first step is creating the optical signal using a transmitter such as LED or a laser. LED means light emitting diode and laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. The second step is relaying the optical signal along the fiber, ensuring that the signal does not become too distorted or weak. The third step is receiving the optical signal from the fiber and converting it into an electrical signal using APD or PIN photodetector. APD means avalanche photodetector and PIN means positive, intrinsic, negative photodetector. Various limitations of the fiber optic communication system are fiber loss, attenuation and dispersion. Fiber loss is the fundamental limitation in realizing a long distance point-to-point fiber communication systems and optical networks. Attenuation is the reduction in amplitude and intensity of an optical signal. Dispersion is the spreading of optical pulses as they travel along the optical fiber. The limitations such as fiber loss, attenuation and dispersion can be overcome by using an optical amplifier. So, an optical amplifier is a device which amplifies the optical signal directly without ever changing it to electricity. That is, the light signal itself is amplified here. The various reasons to use the optical amplifiers are its reliability, flexibility, wavelength division multiplexing and low cost. The different types of optical amplifiers are semiconductor optical amplifiers and erbium doped fiber amplifiers or EDFAs. Among these, the most commonly used optical amplifiers are erbium doped fiber amplifiers. The EDFA has a fiber whose core region is heavily doped with erbium ions. The erbium ions have several important properties that makes it an excellent choice for an optical amplifier. Erbium doped fiber amplifier works on the principle of stimulated emission of radiations. In EDFA, a relatively high powered beam of light called the pump signal is mixed up with the input signal using a wavelength selective coupler. The mixed light is guided into a section of fiber whose core region is heavily doped with erbium ions. The high powered beam of light excites the erbium ions to their higher energy state. When the photons belonging to the input signal at a different wavelength from the pump light meets the excited erbium atoms, the erbium atoms give up some of their energy to the input signal and return to their lower energy state. A significant point is that the erbium atoms give up its energy in the form of additional photons which are exactly in the same phase and direction as that of the signal being amplified. There is usually an isolator placed at the output to prevent the reflections returning from the attached optical fiber. Mainly, the information signal of interest in fiber optic communication system depends on pump power, pump wavelength, signal power, signal wavelength, erbium ion concentration, fiber length, etc. are termed as the input parameters. The performance evaluation parameters of the fiber optic communications are gain, noise figure, degradation, radiation tolerance, etc. are termed as the output parameters. Tremendous researches are happening day by day on the combined analysis of these input and output parameters to increase the speed and capacity of the fiber optic communication systems. Thank you.